Hi there, this is Mrs. Raymond, and in this video, we're going to use a ratio table to solve a multiplication problem. So let's start with a story. Let's say you go into Brad's baseball store and you want to buy some boxes of baseballs. Okay, so let's say that in one box of baseballs, there are 23 balls. So one box has 23 balls. I'm going to set up a ratio table where the top is going to be my number of boxes and the bottom part of my ratio table is going to be my number of balls. So one box is 23 balls. That is, one of those 23s is 23. Okay, so what would happen if you bought 9 boxes of balls? We're buying 9 boxes and every box has 23 balls. How can you use a ratio table to solve this? Well, what we want to do is we want to work our way up to 9. Right now we're at 1 box and I want to work my way up to 9. Okay, so what are some of the things I can do? Well, what if I doubled the number of boxes? If I double the number of boxes, then I'm going to be doubling the number of balls. So that's Gracie, she's sneezing. 2 23s are 46 balls. Okay, now remember, I'm trying to work my way up to 9 boxes. I am currently at 2 boxes. Okay, I'm going to double my boxes again. I'm going to double my number of boxes. Let's see, from 2 boxes to 4 boxes. I'm doubling my number of boxes, which will double my number of balls. Now, if you can do 46 and another 46 in your head, that's great. But if you can't, just write it down and do 46 plus 46 is 92. All right, now where am I going here? I'm still trying to find 9 boxes. Let's see. How am I going to find 9 boxes? Because right now, if I put everything together, 1 box and 2 boxes and 4 boxes, that's only 7. I'm trying to get myself to 9. So let me see. Let me double again. So instead of 4 boxes, I'm going to double my 4 boxes to get 8, which means I'm going to double my number of balls. So I have to do that. If you can do it in your head, that's great. If you can't, just write it down. So that's 184 balls. Now, I think I can do my 9 balls because if I put 1 box together with 8 boxes, 1 box together with 8 boxes is 9 boxes. That means, let's see, let me do this. I'm going to put the 1 box together with the 8 boxes, which means I'll put the 23 balls together with the 184. Plus 23. If you can do that in your head, that's great. If not, write it down. So 1 box put together with 8 boxes is 9 boxes. So that's 23 balls put together with 184 balls, which is 207 balls. So that would be 207. Okay, let's try this same problem just a little in a slightly different way. I'm going to do the same problem. I'm going to keep my boxes on the top and my balls on the bottom. All right, one box of balls has 23 balls in it. What? Now remember, I'm trying to do 9 boxes of balls. What if I jumped to 10 boxes? 10 boxes of balls would be 230 boxes. Once I get there, I can subtract to get 9 boxes. If I have 10 boxes and I take 1 box away, that's 9 boxes. So that means I'm going to subtract 23 from 230. So I'm going to do that over here. 230, I'm going to subtract 23. If you can do this in your head, that's great. If not, write it down. All right, so 9 boxes is 207. That's what I got the first time. There are lots of different ways to use ratio tables to solve the same problem. It depends on how your brain thinks and how you work through it. In this one up here, I doubled and doubled and doubled and then put some things together. In this one right here, I knew that 9 was just a little less than 10, so I went right to 10 and then I took 1 away. These ratio tables are ways to help you solve large multiplication problems.